She's peeing. She doesn't want to come in. Come in, girl. Breakfast. It's time to eat. Come on. Eat. Yay, good girl. Hey Jingoos, welcome to another slice of life. Today and this week I am dog sitting for Bean. Hi Bean. Say hi. Hello. I came yesterday night, so I'm not too familiar with taking care of Bean, but we'll see how it goes. I got this new electric toothbrush because I think I've been brushing my teeth too hard. And it's so cute, my favorite color. And there's like 3 modes. Bean is also curious. You're a curious girl, aren't you? Yeah. Put on my makeup and change my clothes, and now I am ready for my day with a beanie. A beanie. Bean's outside right now because she wants to sunbathe. I really love her kitchen area. It's so cute and she has so many plants. Ah! I brought my computer from home so that I can do some work. I'm kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna eat right now. I'm just gonna start off my morning with a protein shake. Brought my protein shake from home. Let's go check up on Bean. Look at her sunbathing. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Bean, how was your sunbathing? Was it good? Today is a Tuesday, which means that I have to upload a YouTube video. I am not even close to being done. Bonk. So we'll see if I'm able to finish. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat right now. I was editing for an hour, but now I am going to be eating actual food. Sunny brought some type of soup from home that her dad made, so I'm gonna heat this up. It looks so good. So yummy. Demolished. You wanna go outside, Bean? Did you have a good nap? Okay, let's go. Bean, come here. Come here. I was editing my video this whole time and I'm still not done. But I think I'm gonna play with her a little bit because she just woke up from her nap. She's so tired, she just plopped down. Are you tired, girl? Are you tired? One more time? One more time? One more time. Whoa. Being sick. Sit. Paw.
Bonk.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, it's back to work. Okay, Beanie, time to eat. Come on. Eat. Beanie, sit.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sit. Sit. 아이고, 아이고, 아이고. Oh my god. Okay, Bean, rest time. Please. Bean's friends. Get it. She's thirsty. Oh, she's humping it. You got caught again. I brought some chicken soup from home, so I'm gonna be boiling that up and eating that. Oh my goodness. I love chicken soup. Very good. Bean keeps barking because Sunny won't come from her car. Sunny,
Bonk.
hurry up and come in so he can stop barking. Hey.
Oh my god, I'm talking. Bean, it's me, silly girl. Hey.
Hey, Juice. Sunny's here.
Hey, Juice.
Oh yeah, guys, I finished my video. It's uploading right now. Let me show you.
So good.
Thank you, Esther, for graciously letting us eat your chips and food.
Down. Bean down.
Miss Bean is asleep, and Yoojin is still asleep. So we're gonna go wake her up.
Hey. Wake up.
I'm not vlogging.
Wake up.
I'm not vlogging. I don't want to vlog. I don't want to do anything.
Oh my god. Oh my god, everybody. Jingus, did you see that?
I don't want to.
The title of this video is Yoojin Jung quitting YouTube?
Yes.
Oh gosh, she said yes so
quits.
fast. What do you think about that?